Did you know that if someone hacks your phone, they can see your IP address, location, and internet provider? Yes, hackers use this information to track devices, but don't worry, today I will show you how to check your own IP address using Termux so you understand how this works. This video is only for educational and legal purposes, so let's get started. If a hacker targets you, the first thing they check is your public IP address. You can see it yourself using this simple Termux command by writing this. This command will show your public IP which websites and servers can see. This is just the start. If you want more details, check out the next command. A hacker doesn't stop at just your IP, they also check your location and internet provider. You can see the same details by typing this command. This will show your public IP, your country and city, your internet service provider ISP. Hackers also try to find your local IP, which helps them target your Wi-Fi or mobile network. You can check your local IP by typing this command. This video is only for educational purposes. Never use this knowledge for anything illegal. If you found this helpful, like, comment and subscribe to Fix Tech.